my god. Oh my god.
Dude. I know, right? That tree just... Oh, shit, I'm pretty sure I got hit by lightning. My car's not turning on. Look at the antenna. I have a tutorial installing that thing and it's just blown off. Shoot. Okay, well, at least I'm not in the middle of the road anymore. Okay, yeah, so here's Chris again. Oh, man. Did you see the main one? The main big one?
I was really close to it.
Yeah, I was. Oh, that was nuts. Okay, well.
I'm starting to hook again, so.
Yeah, alright, let me try one more time. And is it alright if I just get in your car then?
Of course, yeah.
Okay, alright.
If you just want to end it, I don't know.
Chief, what is it now?